I'm waiting on one more grilled cob, guys.
Lunchtime at the Executive Grille. The kitchen is busy.
Good. Now go.
Students are making the food. The cooking, chopping, and customer service are a part of the Culinary Arts program at East Tech High School.
They prep, they cook, they bake, they do everything that is on the menu, and the students get a well-rounded experience of everything from prep, baking, service, and even dish room. Because even though they don't realize it, we have to clean as we cook.
Students start mastering their skills in the 9th grade. In 10th and 11th grades, these budding chefs are in the kitchen doing prep work for the Executive Grille, a student-run restaurant currently located inside the Jane Addams Business and Careers Center.
Our goal is to reach every Cleveland student that enjoys cooking right now at home, making dinner, and tell them that this hobby, this craft, this love that they have now can turn into a rewarding career in the future.
In the 12th grade, the students have the opportunity to operate the restaurant as part of their coursework.
Table 23, please.
On Wednesdays, CMSD staff, students, and the public are welcome to enjoy the fruits of their labor.
And I think it's also nice for us to have the opportunity to kind of groom them and help them to become ready in like a safe learning environment.
Chef and instructor Jonathan Gardner knows about learning in a safe environment. He is a 2018 graduate and recently returned to CMSD to teach the next generation of chefs.
It fills me with joy and pride to know I had a hand to help them build the program and build themselves. My goal is to, yes, get them restaurant ready, but also to get them life ready.
Among them is East Tech senior Ahmad. He wants to travel the world and is also thinking about attending the culinary program at Tri-C.
I'm just very appreciative of all the opportunities I have gotten instead of waiting, because I probably would have lost passion for it if I didn't start so early.
He says having this opportunity to learn this craft in high school is a game changer.
I want to travel. That's like my biggest thing. I want to go out and try different foods from different countries and continents and all kinds of stuff. So I just feel like this is a gateway to help me get there and just pursue my dreams.
Cece is an 11th grader at East Tech and hearing impaired, but that hasn't stopped her from holding her own in the kitchen while making pizzas on this day. Cece's dream is one day to become a pastry chef. With the help from her sign language interpreter, Susan Tadero, Cece says this experience is better than being in a classroom.
Yeah, I think it's pretty awesome to be working in the restaurant because I don't want to be bored. I think it's boring when you're just sitting in a classroom, you start to daydream. If you're sitting in front of a computer all day, it just gets really boring. So I really enjoy working in the kitchen.
This is the last year the Executive Grille will be located here at Jane Addams. Construction on a new facility will begin at East Tech High School in January. Reporting for the CMSD News Bureau, I'm Darrielle Snipes.